time we blow this scene. Get everybody in the stuff together. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
What's up, guys? My name is Brendan, and today we're gonna do 100 aerial semi front swing rise. You see, the aerial semi front swing rise is one of the most requested tutorials by far, but unfortunately, it's a trick that I'm just not good at. So today, to help me prepare myself to do that tutorial, I'm going to be doing 100 aerial semi front swing rise, so that way I can improve my technique, make it more consistent, and condition my body to be able to do these tricks better in the future. So with that said, let's get started. With that, we are a quarter of the way there. So I've done 25 of my total 100. One thing you guys will realize is these are kind of sloppy. When I go into a session with the thought of drilling a huge number of skills, I don't hold myself to a really high standard when it comes to my technique. I know that they're not gonna be the best. They might be a little bit sloppy, but that's totally fine. My goal is to develop my awareness, progress my technique, and to get my muscles stronger. And to do all of that, I don't need to be perfect. I just need to put in the work. that, we are halfway there. One thing I want you guys to realize is that if you want to be a good tricker, you need to put in the work. And it is a lot of work. If you want to be an elite level tricker, you need to do hundreds of thousands of repetitions of each and every skill, and then you'll get good, consistent, and strong. It takes time and it takes work to get really good at tricking. So I'm gonna get back to work and do my last 50. With that, we are now 3/4 of the way there. So I only have 25 more to go. At this point, I am exhausted, I'm out of breath, and I am tired. So my goal for these last 25 is to just not get injured. I don't want to get hurt, but I want to push my body. I know that if I rep out these last 25, I will reap so many benefits. But trust me, I do not want to. So these last 25, I'm not gonna worry about my technique. I'm not gonna worry about my cleanliness. My goal is to just land them and not get hurt. So that way my body can get conditioned to do them well in the future. for watching. That is it. That was 100 aerial semi front swing rise. I wanted to make this video to show you the benefits of drilling. If you want a trick to be strong, consistent, and clean, you need to do it hundreds of thousands of times. Not only does drilling the skill help condition the specific muscles used in that trick, but it also helps you develop your muscle memory so that way when it's time to throw the trick, you don't need to think about it the entire time. Guys, do me a favor, go out and drill your tricks. See if you can do 100 in a single session. Trust me, it won't be easy, but your tricks will benefit from it. Again, thank you so much for watching, and please have a lovely day.